Hello friends, I am Suman. Welcome to my channel in the L Programming Academy. Today I am going to discuss about how we can send an outbound message in workflow rule. Right? So what is workflow rule? How we can use this? I have made another video on that. You can go for that. So for now, let's see what is outbound messages first. Right? So in Salesforce, workflow rules and outbound messages is a feature that allow us to automatically send data from a Salesforce record to external system or the application. You can say third party services, right? Via SOAP messages. What is SOAP? Simple Object Access Protocol. So triggered when specific criteria within a workflow rule are met. Right? In simple words, we can say it is a way to push information from Salesforce to another platform. So when a workflow rule is triggered, it can send an outbound message containing relevant data from the Salesforce record to designated endpoint URL on the external system. Right? So let's see. Okay, before demonstrate, let me tell you one scenario or use case where we can use this. So suppose a sales rep creates a new opportunity in Salesforce, and if the opportunity amount is exceed a certain threshold, so an outbound message is sent to the company's inventory management system to automatically check stock availability. Right? So in this scenario, we can use these outbound messages. But for today demo, I am going to create an account. Right? When I will create a new account, so I will send a new outbound message. Right? So let's start. In quick find box, type workflow rule. Click on workflow rules. Continue. Click on new rule. Continue with workflow rule. Now on which object I am going to create? Account. So select the object, click on next button. So role name is demo purpose. I can write. Okay. So I need to select any of one evolution criteria created when record is created and when the record will update. It will fire if I will select this. If I will select this, then when it rule will fire, when record will be created, and when it will edited and it made to the certain criteria, then this rule will fire. So for now I am using this created, right? Now rule criteria we need to set. We can set with the help of formula also, right? But I am selecting this. What should be the rule criteria? If account number equals to outbound messages. Okay, I can give demo, outbound demo. Okay, so now click on save and next button. After doing this, I need to add the action. So which action I am going to perform? Outbound messages. Just click here. And here I can give the name outbound message. For demo. Okay, so endpoint URL. So there are many websites are available which provides a free APIs or create a free APIs for us for the demo purpose, like Hookbin and pipedream.com. For today demo, I'm using this pipedream.com website. I have an account here, so you can create your own one. After creating your account, you can log in here and you can generate this API for your testing purpose, right? So just copy this link and come here. Now paste here as a endpoint URL, so we can see the data here. Okay, So let's finish this first. So these are available fields. You can select how many fields you want to show in your message, right? For now I am using only name. ID is by default. I am using name. So I want to show only these two fields in my message, right? You can select as per your requirement. So after doing this, just click on save button, right? So after this, here you can see the rule criteria is account name is equals to outbound demo. Evaluate the rule when record is created. Now click on done. So we have done. Now click on activate to make this workflow rule activate, right? So let's start. I have created an account, so let me open the account object. Click on account object. I'm going to create a new account with the name of outbound demo, right? Okay, so click on save button. So I have created this account. Now come here. Here you can see the same time post is available. So click here. If I will scroll down, so here you can see this is the object account, right? And here name you can see as a outbound demo, right? So in this way our outbound messages work here, right? So that's all about the outbound messages, how we can send with the help of workflow rules. So that's all for today, and thank you for watching my channel. If my videos are helping you, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share and like and mention the comment. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support.